Under Express.
City Walk.
Yo, number one is.
What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly, for me, Sesame Street. Yeah, Sesame Street is a classic.
What's something a grown-ass man shouldn't be doing?
Yeah, let me give you a contemporary definition.
What's the best documentary ever created?
Best documentary?
Gangster movie.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on the show.
Best gangster movie? What's the best documentary ever created?
I have the skin tone for it.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Okay. Classic. Classic. A Beautiful Mind. A Beautiful Mind and Wayman. Wayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Let me give you a contemporary
Blindside?
Best movie based on a true story. Denzel playing Frank Lucas. That was classic.
It's
Escape
just
from Alcatraz is good.
upsetting.
Best movie based on a true story.
It's a paradox.
La Vie en
It's a
Rose.
paradox.
What's the best movie based on a true story?
Heart of the Sea. It's Moby Dick. It's like a
Paradox
real life
isn't a
story.
paradox.
What's the best movie based on a true story?
I have to say Jackie Robinson, 42.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad
What
to
is
have you
the
on
best
show.
movie based on a true story?
Like Hot Down?
I mean, just being a left-handed.
What's the best movie based on a true story?
Cesar Chavez.
I mean,
What is the best movie based on a
I mean,
true
he looks
story?
great. By the way, it's not a
The best movie based on a true story.
Basketball Diaries. I love that one.
if it's bad. But that's an elemental construct. That's a
invited to a lot of shows. Pasadena Media, primarily in LA, they had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of lectures on
what are we trying to do with
specifically subjects that I found intriguing. And so what I did was I published on my website a consolidation of a number of different subjects I lectured on. And also things I did on a personal level. So what my website is based on a consolidation of a number of different subjects where I discuss the physical
Consciousness is
You have
something
been.
that's
Because I mean, you're not just the jacket. You're not just mixed metaphors. You're not just Coney Island hot dogs. You are a billy goat. You are a horse. Because you talked about horses. You talked about horses for
What
reasons.
Einstein would do, he would
horses.
doze off with an
I-
object in his hand. And as you're about to fall asleep, the object will wake and remember his destination.
I don't like to get into things
Because
like
if the
that,
brain
but it
transitions
did
from
happen,
different
and I'm
brain
not going to
states,
go on a horse ever
from the
again.
deep delta state,
Are you going horses?
state back to the alpha while it's transitioning, you may not be able to recollect.
Just like when you try to return something at Whole Foods, if an Amazon product, sometimes they'll tell you to go to another store.
That is such a bad.
This is more like we don't do it.
That's such a bad and this is what
How dare you? Our first fight.
Yeah, that's a bad those
No, but it's true. I just went into Whole Foods and I tried to return something, and they said, "No, this says you have to do it at another store."
For women clothes, you do that sometimes. Because how you like? I like a lot.
Now, I really like it. How high do you have to be to start wearing women's
I
clothes?
think I'm wealthy.
So in the middle of being a left-handed
music,
guitar player.
drawing, art.
I mean, just being a left-handed
How about Christmas?
guitar
You celebrate
player is
Christmas?
unusual enough. I don't believe in. I mean, he looks great. By the way, it's not a whatever. I think it's like women's clothes are the best to wear.
Is it a
ever.
pagan thing?
Especially, what do you? How do you see Christmas?
So here we go.
I don't
That's
focus
that's
on
an
things
elemental
like
construct. That's a.
I see a lot of distraction. So I probably going to spend Christmas studying stuff, drawing, painting, art, music. Just again,
Our state, our consciousness is something that we have to proactively take.
Guy that bags groceries at the Ralph's down the street. This guy is.
explore something called power hypnagogia. Power hypnagogia, you have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination.
I'll tell you what's
occurs on the onset. The hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would
Steven Seagal thing to it.
this is more like a Hendrix big term for DMT. So as any sort of psychoactive substance in those temporary laws, this is the way a lot of Victorians and women clothes. And this is what Einstein and Hendrix used to do a lot. They used to explore for women power hypnagogia. Power I like a lot.
Now, how high do you have to be to start? My favorite villain is this guy that bags groceries. Middle of being because I mean you're not just the jacket. What is? I mean, let me ask you a philosophical question about something that's not philosophical enough. Where do we go? I mean, he looks great. By the way, it's not a. I think it's like women's clothes.
No, I don't see anything at all. I'm just admiring myself and enjoying the pumping. Your presence, hallucination occurs on your onset. Let me give you a hypnagogic occurs on the onset. What Einstein was doing, he would doze off and enjoy an object in his hands. And as you're about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake.
Well, I don't remember getting you any presents, but
because if the brain transitions from different brains.
when people take Viagra from me, like no. They chew it up and then put it in my mouth.
Genuine intellectual answer.
I have a single vanishing point
I don't know how long does that
on
take.
my horizon.
Well, no, I don't see anything at all. I'm just
Sky,
admiring myself and
and then I
enjoying
have my
your
land
presence and being on the show with freaking Tony Stark himself. I admire.
Well, I don't remember getting you any presents, but
So when you take Viagra, do you get a hard on twice?
when people take Viagra from me, like no. They chew it up and then put it in my mouth. No, I don't do Viagra. I do
This is all
they reverse engineer a leg.
Amazing. What communities do you feel like you're a part of?
What's the best documentary ever created?
My octopus teacher.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
You just talked about horses. You talked about Christopher Reeves. He died, of that horse because you have to have.